Hello, I am Nitin, faculty of EC department at RVC, Bangalore. This is the introductory video for the course Radio Frequency and Millimeter Wave IC Design. This course is typically offered in 6th semester of BE program in ECE. Department of ECE have 4 core specializations or verticals, and they are signal processing, communication, embedded systems and VLSI design. If you look at the courses in the vertical of VLSI, they are categorized into 2 domains. One is analog and another one is digital. These are the courses in both analog and digital domains of the vertical VLSI. In 3rd semester, you have the course Analog Microelectronic Circuits in analog and Analysis and Design of Digital Circuits in digital domain. In continuation, in 4th semester, Analog Integrated Circuit Design is there under analog and Advanced Digital System Design using HDL under digital. The courses AMC and AICD lays the foundation of discrete and integrated circuits, its design and analysis. The electives of 6th and 7th semester are built upon this foundation. In 6th semester, you have a course Radio Frequency and Millimeter Wave IC Design, and in 7th semester, you have a course which deals with the design of mixed signal ICs. At the same time, you have many interesting courses in digital domain. This video is intended to give an introduction to the course Radio Frequency and Millimeter Wave IC Design. We are at the dawn of a new era. New emerging applications are revolutionizing the way we communicate, the way we share ideas, the way we enjoy movies, and in short, the way we live. We cannot think about a day without a mobile phone. We can communicate at any time, at any place with this smart device. This is the chipset of today's cell phone, and you can see different sections with analog, digital, mixed signal and RF circuits. It turns out that the heart of this phone is the transceiver, which makes this communication possible. If you look at the RF spectrum, the desired signal which we want to receive is very small as compared to the whole bunch of interferers. The phone magically picks out the small signal from amidst this huge amount of interfering noise so that we are able to carry on a conversation, download data all at very good speed. How does it work? If you look at the block diagram of the transceiver, you will see 3 main subsections, and this course is focusing on the RF stage, where you see the main circuit blocks like low noise amplifier, mixers, oscillators, phase lock loops, etc. Therefore, understanding the operation of each of the circuit blocks and having a good idea about designing these circuits is very important for an electronics engineer. Therefore, those who are interested in the design and analysis of transistor-based circuits can take up this course. If you look at the content of this course is having 5 units. In the first unit, we'll be dealing with the basic concepts of RF design. We'll start with the issues of nonlinearity and noise. In continuation, in Unit 2, we deal with various architecture of transceiver, both transmitters and receivers. In the later units, Unit 3, 4 and 5, we deal with the circuit aspects, starting with low noise amplifier in Unit 3, along with passive impedance transformation and matching methods, mixers and oscillators in Unit 4, and phase locked loops in Unit 5. I hope that you will really enjoy this course. Waiting to see you all. Thank you.